This is okay. This is first in a series of hopefully Pimp or Solicit life hack, non-attorney type program here, and today we're gonna show that this is like a standard. I think Gillette $25 razor with the trimmer. But the thing is, these are really expensive, and a way to save on that is, and this is, I'm filming this in Minnesota, but at Hobby Center they sell it's a lithium-ion battery replacement, and it's rechargeable. And to recharge, we would use something like that. It's just easy. I actually, put it up a bank, so but it's, so far it's been going at least a couple months. Why it's better than this guy is it trims at a much higher rate and a lot less nicks, and we'll show how we can save on the cost of having to replace this. So let's do a quick demonstration. I had to take off the covering, but this is, and then but when you do this, there's a higher frequency. So as you can tell, it's because it's working harder, but it's been running great so far. I just got to get rid of this attach and start with. Now let's do a couple quick and then just. So you do that, and then the nice thing about that is when you put this on, it's less effort for that. Saves you money anyway. So Hobby Center's fits in the double A size, and enjoy. And also when you get towards the ears, wear the earphones.